Okay, so we want to do 9.3, number 29?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we do?
That's nothing.
Help!
No.
You gotta find the common bottom.
Oh, okay, so what do we need to make common bottom?
The same on each bottom?
Okay, so what do I need on,
Oh, okay.
how about the left piece? What do I need on the left piece?
You need x plus 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need an x plus 2 over x plus 2.
Yep.
And the right piece, I need a
X
X
plus
minus
4.
four.
Minus 4, sorry.
x minus 4 and an x minus 4.
Correct.
Okay, so then in my next line I have
X plus y times
X squared. Oh, okay.
x squared.
Or do you
X
want us to
squared.
FOIL it out?
I don't know. Do we want to FOIL it out? What are we going to do with
Actually,
it?
wait a minute, no.
What's
Yeah.
right?
Yes, you do need
What
to
do
pull
you
it out
want
because
us
you want to
to
have the
do?
two tops together.
Yeah, we want to stick the two tops together and then count like terms, right?
Mm-hmm.
To do that, I need them multiplied out. So we could FOIL.
X squared
So I've got x squared plus,
7x.
it's hard enough, plus,
I can't take you seriously.
just makes my video sound vaguely
Country.
prejudicial.
Pain.
Over x plus 2 times x minus 4. And then we're subtracting
All the way out.
X squared.
x squared
Uh-huh.
Minus x.
Minus x.
minus x
Minus 12.
minus 12. And on the bottom we've got x plus 2 times x minus 4.
Yes.
Does it seem weird that I multiplied the tops out, not the bottoms?
No. It just.
That's your
That's
comment.
Taking it slow.
There.
I'm not going to multiply the bottoms out ever.
Yeah.
Why? Did you have that info?
No, but since they're a common bottom already, you don't need to. You can just keep them that way, and then it makes it easier later.
It
Yeah,
makes it easier to
perfect.
cancel out. You would be able to cancel.
Yeah, later I'm going to look to cancel, right? So if I multiply this stuff out, then I'm going to have to factor it back out later. May as well not bother. So I've got, let's see, some stuff, and that's going to be over x plus 2 times x minus 4. What's the stuff?
X.
There's
Hang on. What's a good idea? At this step.
Distribute the negative.
Yeah, to say, okay, I want to distribute this negative through.
okay.
Right? Otherwise, I'd have to remember to do that when I'm combining like terms. But if I just make this a positive, then what needs to change?
Negatives.
And
I need to
negative.
flip all the signs. Cool?
Got it.
So now combining like terms should be chill.
Would it be on the other side too? With the x squared plus
No.
7x
Ah.
plus 10?
So this one wasn't being subtracted, right?
Uh,
So I didn't need to distribute any minus sign over here. This one was the one being distracted.
Got it.
Subtracted, not distracted. Cool?
Cool.
All right, so I'm supposed to be combining like terms. So how many x squareds do I have?
0.
0. Okay, so I won't write that. How many x's do I have?
8.
Okay, so I've got 8x and then
22.
22. Okay.
So wait, do the x squareds cancel each other out and that's why you don't have any?
Yeah, they canceled each other out, but it wasn't multiplication, right?
Okay.
They weren't a 1z. What happened to them?
You had added the x and then you took it.
Yeah, they
Oh.
added together to 0, right?
So
Good,
I
see
guess
that?
you could still say you have 0x squared.
Yeah, we could certainly write that down. You guys see that? So there's
Really feel
there's
like
two
it's-
kinds of, right? There's two ways that things can disappear in these. One is that they add together to 0, and the other one is that they divide together or multiply together to be 1, right? You guys see that? So this was an add together to 0 that made the x squareds go away. Okay, now what?
You're done.
Done?
You can factor 2 out, but doesn't really.
Yeah, I should check whether I can cancel something, right? So I might think to myself, okay, well, I can factor a 2 out of this stuff. What am I left with?
11? 4x. Oh, yeah.
4x plus 11?
Yeah.
That's not going to cancel, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay,
This
so
is not working.
I'm going to be done here. And I maybe wouldn't make a big deal about having done that, right? I certainly wouldn't write that down and then circle it, because the only chance is that I make a mistake in that, right? Is cool?
Okay, before you turn it off. So my biggest mistake was the x plus 2, and I'm still kind of confused.
The
So
x
do
plus 2.
you're foiling that out?
Yeah, I'm foiling these two things together.
Okay.
So I've got an x squared from the first term,
Okay.
a 5x from the last,
Okay.
or sorry, not last, outside,
Okay.
a 2x from the inside,
Okay.
and a 10 from the last.
Okay.
You guys cool with that?
Yeah.
Remember, this middle number here is made of the outside and inside terms. Cool?
Cool.
Other questions?